Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, how to create a customer page in WordPress. Do you want to create custom page in WordPress? A custom page latest to use different layout from your regular page and WordPress site customer page layout and these sale page, landing page, webinar page and more. In this article will show in easy create customer page with WordPress step by step. Create a customer page in WordPress. Understanding custom page in WordPress. By default WordPress allow your create post and page. We went to customer control and approve of the page using template file cancelled page this template files affect all single press page. The create in WordPress hovers you is your already now all pages are your same for interest you are going to create leading page that look unique defines your regulation website about page in the pasting creation customer and page in word meaning coding the owner customer template using HTML, CS and PHP. We will cover that method, but will you don't recommend in beginners. Instead, we suggest using Seedpour or other page building plugin to create custom page. Simply use the click links to jump singles different method using cPred to create custom page. WordPress recommended using Brew building create custom page website manual create custom page template WordPress video tutorial. Subscribe to web beginners if you don't profess and invest is justing keep reading using Seed Pro to create custom page WordPress seafood in the best talks and drop page buildings for WordPress income with 100 plus professional designing templates that you can use basic for your page automatic your create completion complete WordPress page without and code using the dark and drop builders seaport designing easy to see and for total beginner solvers also advanced option the building we stain page engineering visitor increase conversion. First, you are needed to install and activate the seed port plugin for more details and see step-by-step guides how to install WordPress plugin. Note these free version to seed pay plugin available. See was for example we tool version 7's powerful feature of activation. You should see web welcome page. You need enter your lesson. Keep here, click verify your key button. You will find license in key your account area the seedport website. How to easy create first landing page with seedport. Next go to seedport page in your WordPress admin. The simply click create landing button. Now you will pump it. Choose your template, your filter these pen template these type page. Create professional start search that simply use bank template. Choosing your page template seed put for your for the snack tutorial web drawing creation course the page template you will promote and give page name and set your URL if you don't get set. Click saving start editing page button. The template you are choosing will be seed pod building. Launch your owner and earn money technical other. To change analyze template, simply click on easy changing text directly the page builder in for instant your editing page highlight your format and next changing automatic add links and more. It is also easy edited image using the seaboard page builder. Simply click on the image that you are going to change it. This example your request different image top up of the page in customer owner image. Go to arrange change analyze and simply clicking on the web to open the edit page panel and page to add new block animation in your page. Simply click on the design tab your top page just choosing standard advanced block. You simply drag drop and place your page. After editing a block in just needed click to edit. Here we edit block page. Learn how to start run your own successful blog. Make money tracking other your easy and advanced anyone you can work your speed and time. Choose your domain name and website. Install WordPress website. Choose your install WordPress. If you make mistake you at any point changing it, don't worry and simply click undo button and button press where receive where to date. You will also find redo button reviews history layout negative mobile reviews and goal bar settings for your page here. Once you have happy with your custom page and it's time reviews publisher you publish page first. Click drop down arrow and next save button to tap screen that's article publish option you will see in message leading. Now that's your page be published. To click out start any simply click see live page your page is been publisher. To edit your custom page your point future simply to see for page you are in WordPress admin you should see yourself in page listing landing page. Simply click on edit the benefit using seed pro and very other building in WordPress that you are building not show down in your site to see put in for faster building. And let's create a complete customer page layout and the pasting the themes. You have customer ID folder using builder a customer page your WordPress proof and popular we estimated dark and top page builder and websites. You can use easy to create custom page your website and blog. Very recommended using full version and brief builder. It also free version brief available with limited feature. First you need install activities brief builders. Plugin more details see step by step guides how to install plugin up to active see brief building welcome screen. Simply click lessons tab enter lessons your friend. Choose your account area proof and builder website. Don't forget click save lessons key button save lessons to use proof and simply go to page add new a custom admit create a new page. Click launch proof button. The proof in builder editing open the you needed a row and middle create page, simply click animation when to use into page animation and you can start template you get and click template tab, choose template use. You can click any page part of template changing. For instance, you are changing the next image color and more. If you are editing header page, you improve in builder editing process. Quick some CPU needed type template popular box. Once you are finished making change your page, simply click down buttons and tap right you will available save in publish post. Create customer page template manual. If you are popular and create customer page template WordPress editor not your complete fine. You have many plugin ranking in WordPress site tech. Look list page how to make money plugin short installing. Have your many plugin. First you need to open plain text and editor like Notepad in your computer and bank its timeline codes the top. The code simply WordPress. Just simplified and shown recommendation or customer page you can name template analyze with log make scenes your page once after have edited code your save file and desktop customer HPPH go to H and just file with name and just source your edit pph explained photo needed control and your WordPress hosting account using FTP. Once of connection your code create themes all child themes WordPress fund your web control themes and directory upload next custom template themes new login in WordPress admin area and create new page or editing exchange on the page screen. Scroll down your page section template drop down and menu click allow select template just create. If you select template visit page your site and we see area back page template simply don't work your display edit customer page template your customer template your like themes file WordPress HTML template PPH code files state custom page copyright copying in exchange template once of FT8 client download once a page file and plugin edited like Notepad and copy all content exploit hider part. The hider part is connected the part topic file and we are copy basic other custom page template already has been opened. You needed in custom page template files and paste all code you have copied then your custom page in Word look something like that. Save in custom page file and upload back folder then ftf. If you are short in content edited content popular beginner write the unlimited WordPress tool take I have make your homepage. I don't do many CSS financial. I see you extend paste and cost control images using plugin remove to reviews and comments. Thanks you and tutorial 1 week. You have already does before worked it the most comments and reasons. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Subscribe my channel.